Want to trade crypto while you sleep? Crypto bots can do the work for you. Here's how to set them up safely. Step 1. Choose a trusted platform. Options like Pionex, 3Commas, and Binance bots are popular. Always research reviews before connecting your funds. Step 2. Pick your strategy. Bots can scalp, grid trade, or follow signals. Beginners often start with grid bots for sideways markets or DCA bots for long-term investing. Step 3. Set your risk controls. Always use stop loss, take profit, and limit your position size. Bots don't risk, they just automate it. Step 4. Connect your exchange via API keys. Never give withdrawal access, only trading permissions. This protects your funds even if the provider is hacked. Step 5. Test before scaling. Start small, track performance, and only increase funds when you see consistent results. And that's it. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this video helpful. And don't forget to leave us your thoughts in the comments.